We've recently been approved to begin our autonomous public trials, and we're honored and excited to bring autonomous road sweeping to Singapore and the world.
In 2019, Enway was awarded a grant from the Singapore government to develop and trial an autonomous road sweeper for use on the road to Singapore. For 18 months, we worked closely with our project partners, Nanyang Technological University, Sem Waste, and Wangfeng Engineering, as well as the base vehicle manufacturer, Bucher Municipal, and their local distributor, Zenith Engineering, on the vehicle's development. This past December 2020, we received our public trial approval. The team here in Singapore is excited and honored to bring autonomous road sweeping to Singapore and around the world.